essence, essence. The essence of friendship is trust and support. Essential, essential. Water is essential for all living things. Estate, estate. She inherited a large estate from her grandfather. Ethic, ethic. She has a strong work ethic and studies hard. Ethical, ethical. It is ethical to help others in need. Ethnic, ethnic. She studies ethnic cultures around the world. Evacuate, evacuate. We need to evacuate the building quickly. Evaluate, evaluate. Teachers evaluate students' progress every semester. Evolution, evolution. The evolution of animals took millions of years. Evolve, evolve. Animals evolve to adapt to their environment. Exaggerate, exaggerate. Don't exaggerate your story. It's not that exciting. Exceed, exceed. We must not exceed the speed limit while driving. Excel, excel. I want to excel in my studies this year. Excellent, excellent. She did an excellent job on her project. Excess, excess. He has an excess of homework this weekend. Exclude, exclude. We will exclude the late students from class. Exclusive, exclusive. This club is exclusive to members only. Executive, executive. The executive made an important decision yesterday.